Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our presentation today. We are excited to share with you about water pollution. Join us with a journey of discovery and innovative. Thank you for joining us. We hope you are find our information about me and enjoyable. Thank you. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm doing well too. Do you know why water is easily contaminated?
Yes, I think water is easily contaminated because of its chemical properties. Water is a universal solvent that is very effective in dissolving different types of chemical.
That's absolutely right. Water can dissolve industrial waste, agricultural waste, domestic waste, and medical waste, causing water pollution.
Yes, it's very important for us to preserve that environment to keep the water clean and healthy. We must actively reduce waste and pollutant that can contaminate the water.
I agree. This is very important for us and the environment. We can also conduct campaigns and education on the importance of preserving the environment and reducing pollution to maintain the quality of water.
Yes, education and campaigns are essential. Especially is encouraging the community to care for the environment and take positive action to maintain the quality of water and our living environment.
Yeah, we must play an active role in preserving the environment and to keep the water clean and healthy.
Specifically about water pollution. So, why do you think water is easily contaminated?
I think water is easily contaminated because of its chemical properties. Water is a universal solvent that is very effective in dissolving different types of chemical. One of the main reasons in industrial waste, many industries dispose of their waste in river and ocean, which leads the water pollution.
That's true. Another reason is agricultural runoff. Farmers use pesticide and fertilizer on the crops, which the run off into nearby water sources, contaminating them.
Yes, and let's not forget about sewage. Improperly treated sewage can also pollute water sources, making them unsafe for human consumption.
It's really concerning that so many sources contribute to water pollution. What do you think we can do to prevent it?
One thing we can do is be more mindful of our waste. We should dispose of our trash properly and then not dump hazardous material down the drain.
Alright. And we can also support environmentally friendly businesses that use sustainable practices and reduce waste.
This is another things we can do is reduce our use as pesticide and fertilizer. Using organic and natural methods can help reduce agricultural runoff.
Those are all great ideas. We all need to take responsibility for protecting our environment and preventing water pollution.
Absolutely, we only have one planet and we need to take care of it for future generation.
Yes, that's a great point. We also need to advocate for policies and regulation that protect our water sources and hold industries accountable for their waste.
Definitely, and we should also educate ourselves and others about the impact of water pollution on our health and the environment.
Education is key. The more people know about the problem, the more likely they are to take action to prevent it.
Exactly. Exactly. We can also support organizations that works toward clean water and initiative and conservative people.
That's a great idea. It's important for us to get involved and support these causes however we can.
And let's not forget about personal action. We can all make small things in our daily lives to reduce water pollution. This is such conserving water and reducing our plastic use.
Yes, every little bit counts. We need to work together to protect our water sources and ensure a sustainable future for all.
Agreed. It's up to us to make a difference and take action for the sake of our planet.
Absolutely. We can just sit back and wait for someone else to take action. It's up to each of us to do our part.
And it's not just about protection and the environment, but also about ensuring our own health and well-being. Water pollution can have serious consequences for human health, such as disease and illness.
That's a good point. We need to think about the long-term impact of our action on both the environment and ourselves.
Exactly, and we can also look to other countries and communities that have successfully addressed water pollution and learn from their approaches.
That's a great idea. By sharing knowledge and best practices, we can all work toward a healthier, more sustainable future.
And let's not forget about the importance of monitoring and reporting water pollution. If we see something happening in our local water source, we should report it to the authorities.
Yes, and we can also encourage others to do the same. The more people speak up, the more likely it is that action will be taken to address the problem.
Absolutely, we all have a role to play in protecting our water source and ensuring a better future for ourselves and generations to come. Uh, Thank you for your discussing this with me. In conclusion, water pollution is a serious environmental issue that affects not only our planet but also our health and well-being. It is caused by various such as industrial loss, agricultural runoff, and sewage.
However, by taking action and being more mindful of our waste, supporting environmentally friendly businesses, reducing our use of pesticides and fertilizer, and monitoring and reporting water pollution, we can all play a role in preventing it. We must work together and share knowledge and best practices to create a healthier, more sustainable future for ourselves and future generations.
Thank you for your watching.